In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping on Shopify with Printful. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Setting up shipping with Printful on your Shopify store is a crucial step to ensure a smooth experience for your customers. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you want to make sure you're logged into your Printful account. So go ahead and open Printful in your browser and sign in. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find various options. Go to the section labeled Stores. Here, you'll see a list of the stores you've connected. Click on your connected Shopify store. This is vital because your shipping settings will be based on the products and information from this specific store. Now let's pause for a moment. It's important to double-check that your products are synced with Printful. You'll want to ensure that the items you plan to sell are correctly represented in Printful so that your shipping settings align perfectly with your inventory. If you haven't done this, now would be a good time to manage your products within Printful and make sure everything is in order. Alright, the next step involves switching gears to Shopify. Open a new tab and sign in to your Shopify account. Navigate to the bottom left corner of your Shopify admin and you'll see the Settings option. Click on that and you'll notice various settings you can configure to tailor your store. From the Settings menu, look for Shipping and Delivery. When you click on this, it will bring you to an overview of your shipping settings. This is where all the magic happens, so pay close attention. You should see different shipping profiles listed here. Find the shipping profile that corresponds to the products used by Printful. If you're unsure which profile it is, just look for the profile that's associated with the products you'll be fulfilling through Printful. Once you've located the right shipping profile, the next thing you need to do is check that Printful shipping rates are available for the products you've selected. It's really important that these rates are correctly displayed to avoid any confusion when customers are checking out. If everything is good to go, you can now proceed to choose the specific shipping options you want to offer your customers. Do you want to provide flat rates, calculated rates, or free shipping? Consider your product sizes, weights, and target market, because these factors can help influence your decision. Once you've made your selections, make sure you hit that Save button to keep your new settings. Now we're nearly there. I recommend placing a test order or previewing your checkout to ensure that the shipping rates appear accurately. It's essential to simulate the customer experience and see if everything operates smoothly. To do this, go back to your Shopify store, browse your products, and add one to the cart. Go to Checkout and proceed through the steps until you see the shipping rates. This test run is incredibly important because it allows you to spot any discrepancies in the shipping rates before your customers experience them. If you notice anything wrong, don't hesitate to go back and adjust those shipping options in Shopify until everything is just right. Regularly reviewing your shipping settings is also a good habit to get into, as it ensures that you're always providing the best service to your customers. In conclusion, setting up shipping on Shopify with Printful can seem a bit daunting at first, but by following these straightforward steps, you'll ensure your store is ready to fulfill orders smoothly. Remember, happy customers are returning customers. If you found value in this tutorial, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.